Microwave radio systems carry 70% of the billions of long-distance telephone calls made in the U.S. annually. Each year, the number of long-distance calls increases. To meet this growing demand, the Bell system has developed the first high-capacity single sideband microwave radio system. This new system will be able to carry 6,000 long-distance calls per channel, more than 3 times as many calls as the highest capacity microwave link now used by the Bell system. Here's how the single sideband system works. Radio signals like those received over your home radio have 3 parts: a carrier signal and 2 sidebands. This representation of a radio signal shows that the sidebands carry the information, in this case my voice, and both sidebands carry the same information. Single sideband equipment eliminates one sideband and the carrier from the signal, so that another sideband with different information can be used at the same time on the same radio channel. With the single sideband microwave radio system, each sideband can carry 3,000 voices. Although single sideband has been used in amateur radio, aviation, and marine communication for many years, until recently, the technique was not adequate for long-distance high-capacity telephone calls.
In microwave radio transmission, the received signals at a radio station are very low in level, and these must be boosted in level before retransmitting to the next radio station. Microwave amplifiers are used to boost these signals in level, and in the past these microwave amplifiers have not had low enough distortion to permit single sideband transmission.
Improved electronics technology from Bell Labs has reduced distortion in the new system to a level only 1,000th the distortion found in previous microwave radio systems. Preliminary tests of single sideband microwave radio were made in Georgia during 1974 and 1975. Working with AT&T long lines, Bell Labs began a field trial in Massachusetts in 1977. Commercial service is planned for 1980.
Johnny's Plumbing, can I help you? Yeah, I need someone to come over right away. My shitter's full. Well, what seems to be the problem, sir? I told you, my shitter's full. I need someone over here. I got shit flowing over my toilet.
Anything else with that pepperoni? Maybe a cardiologist or a heart checkup? Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, okay. And then once I get that truck exit was pulled off of the cellular towers when they went to 1.25 inches. That's what I got. I got thousands of feet of it.
American bullshit out of you there,
I think we need to take all kinds of
You're right, man. Do nothing. What's with the Americans?
This is a major disaster, as no one can... Live from Washington, D.C. This is an NBC News special alert. Good evening from Washington, D.C. It's...
What's with the American moniker there? I mean, are you trying to quantify what you're saying?
The fight begins. 72, I'm trying to act all round 1. I think you need to be crucified.
That's a kind of a blanket statement there.
If you're a Christian, you should...
It's all over my property here. I'm talking to you on a feed line right now that's 850 feet long. So, but it's